Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. Again, we're showing you things that we've either brought into the shop or we've gotten completed. Please go to our YouTube channel or mumfordrestoration.com and take a look at what you could have restored. We have a really cool full-size bed, and this is the end result. You can see that it's leaning against an armoire right now, but we have the headboard and the footboard that have been completely taken apart, disassembled, repaired. The rails have been painted black. We polished all of the pieces. We lacquered all of the pieces, and then we assembled it again. And so again, as we were talking about, the lacquer really preserves the finish and keeps it from corroding. We've gotten as much as 20 years or more out of the clear coat. It is a instrument lacquer, the lacquer we use for saxophones and so forth, that helps it to be preserved so that it doesn't tarnish. Because nobody wants to be at home polishing their brass bed. So bring it to us and we will fix that for you so you're not having to polish again. Thanks for watching.